welcome to the Money Moves studio. This week we're chatting about all things arbitrage. In the previous episode, we covered the legitimate sources of funds as well as the minimum amount of money that needed to arbitrage. And today we're speaking about the elephant in the room, SARS, and how the profits that we make through arbitrage is taxed. Paul, over to you.
So the elephant in the room, SARS. Does SARS know about this? Is it regulated? Well, of course, Ingrid. I won't risk my career on making some extra money that's not legal. So yes, of course SARS knows about it because all your trades go through SARS. Remember, you have to apply to SARS to take your money out of the country. So they know about it and they love it. Why do they love it? Because they tax your income. So SARS is laughing all the way to the bank.
So how exactly is the tax? Capital gains tax, income tax?
There are two main ways of taxing income. The first one is capital gain, where you buy an asset, hold it for longer than a year, and then sell it for a profit. So that profit is called the capital gain, and you should pay tax on that capital gain. In South Africa, it's between 7.2% and 18%. There's a little formula there depending on how much money you make, but it's between 7.2 and 18%. The other one is income tax. This is if you hold the asset for shorter than a year. So what is arbitrage? Buy, sell. Send it over, buy, sell, over and over again. So unfortunately, there's no two ways about it. This is income tax, which sucks in the sense that it's much higher tax bracket than capital gain. In South Africa, it's between 18% and 45%, depending on how much money you make. It's added to your taxable income. So whatever your salary is, added on top of that, and you're gonna pay your marginal income tax rate on that money. But even after tax, it's an unbelievable return on investment.
So, Paul, what you're saying is be in the clear, declare it, and play the game fairly.
This is not a game where you want to try and rig it, because SARS, they literally have a record of your trades and your money going out of the country. Do not mess with SARS. Declare your profits, pay your taxes. You'll still enjoy very, very healthy profits and an unbelievable return on investment.
And that's that for our mini-series of arbitrage. If you have any questions, you know what to do. The link's in the comments. Cheers!